guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Luvmehair. They were kind enough to send over this burgundy T-part lace wig, but this T-part lace has some space to work with. So I'm about to customize it and get it together. I think this is the first time I've ever customized a T-part wig this well. So if you guys ever want to try a T-part wig, definitely continue to watch this video because I'm going to show you how simple it is to get it customized and honestly make that lace look melted and thin out this hairline. So let's get started. So the first thing I am doing is just pushing the hair back with my hot comb because I kind of want to see exactly what I'm working with. It makes it easier to pluck out the hairline in my opinion. So we're just going to pull out little layers of the front and pluck it as much as I can. I'm also going with my edge pomade stick and the hot comb to flatten it out. Every time I pull out a layer, it just makes it easier that way as well. So once I finish plucking out the hairline, I'm going to take the wig off. Now I'm going to add my tint spray because I want to make sure this lace is tinted and melts into my skin. And I use the color medium brown from Ebon. Then we're going to go back in with that hot comb. Y'all going to see me pull up this hot comb a lot because I like flat roots. I just think they make wigs look a lot more natural versus leaving your roots thick. It just depends on what kind of wig you wear, where you leave the roots thick, but this one was not one of those, so we got to get her flat. And that edge pomade stick, adding that little product to the hair really helps. So you can find all those products linked in my bio below in my Amazon storefront. And once I got the roots flat, I went back in and plucked it a little bit more because I just wanted to make sure this T-part is looking basically like a lace closure because you really can get it to look that way. It's just going to take some work. I'm also plucking out the parting space. And now we're just combing out all the excess hair from plucking, and y'all can already see the difference of how this hairline is coming together and this wig is looking so natural. So now I'm going to go in with my razor and I'm just going to cut off that lace. Look at the blend when I cut the lace off though. Do y'all see this blend? Like, what lace? It looks the freak good. Like, that blended into my skin so well. I was very pleased. But then I was like, okay, we gotta do a little baby hair action. The baby hairs are needed just to add a little flavor, a little spice to the look. I'm gonna lay down those baby hairs with some mousse, just giving 2 swipes towards the end of my forehead, and then I want to dry down the mousse so the edges don't move. So I took my blow dryer, going back in with that hot comb. I told y'all, how many times did you see me pick this hot comb up? Probably like 3 or 4 times. 3 or 4 times for sure. But them roots are flat though. You see them roots are flat. So after I've plucked out the parting space, I am going to add some makeup to that parting space to make it wide, make it look more visible, you know, just making the wig look natural. We like it like this. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to pluck a little bit more as well. I'm telling you, I am customizing this wig as much as I could stand it. I wanted to see how well I could get this T-part wig looking. And I feel like I accomplished it. What do you guys think? So now we're just going to add some of those curls back into the hair, especially since I used the hot comb on it so much. I kind of, you know, made those curls disappear. And I'm just making sure that the roots are just laying down yet again, adding curls here and there wherever I feel like the curl might have fell out a little bit too much. And that is pretty much that. I feel like this wing installation was like simple, but it also required a bit of customizing, you know. But overall, it came together because that lace is looking really, really good. Like, I was very pleased with my work. I don't know about you guys, but I was very pleased with my work. So if you guys are thinking about trying a two-part lace, I feel like this is your sign. And if you want one that is burgundy 99J, definitely check out Luvmehair. The link is going to be in my bio. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.